Wake up, boys. I'm back. Shit. Again, nilakad ko lahat yon.
Video podcasts, get back to your favorite albums, or focus on the music with a brand new dark mode that hides the visuals and keeps you in the moment. Tap the banner to learn more.
Hindi ko alam kung holiday ba ngayon or what, but it's 4:37 a.m. Tapos na ako mag-treadmill. Lagi kong healing. Pag pumupunta ako sa gym, sana walang tao. Ngayon wala talaga. Legit wala talaga. May isa, but dalawa lang kami sa gym. Kaso lakas ng sounds. Today is we're doing chest and shoulders like the usual. Medyo nagmamadali na ako kasi late ako nagising ngayon. Dapat 3 nandito na ako. Ang nangyari, 3 ako umalis ng bahay. Not even 3, nagpe-prepare pa lang ako. So let's do this quick. Chest and shoulders, and then we're gonna go shift. Kung may araw na tinatamad ako ngayon, ito na yung pinaka. Ayoko talagang bumangon kanina. Sobrang challenge yung pagbangon kanina. But I still pushed through. I still fought. I still showed up. Because we have to. Sorry na, kaya pa. Alright, let's do this. It's not my strongest day, obviously. Parang ang hina ko ngayon. Feeling ko talaga ang hina ko ngayon, pero labanan pa rin natin. Gaanan na lang natin ng konti siguro yung buwan. I don't know. Feeling ko wala ako sa... Hindi mood eh. Wala ako sa... best strength ko today. So, babaan natin yung buhat than the usual. We're still gonna try to go till failure. Because if not, kung hindi tayo reps till failure, para saan pa? Diba? Alright, so let's go. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do last one. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko na ibigay yung best ko. If that makes sense. Last one. Let's do incline bench, incline dumbbell press. Alright. Ibibigay yung shoulders ko. Ah. Nag-figure out ko na. Alam ko na. Alam ko na kung bakit. Hindi ko matapos-tapos. May sumasakit dito sa... Alam mo yung shoulders mo, yung buto. Diba? Yung para gumalaw yung shoulders mo. Yun yung masakit. Try natin mag chest fly. After chest fly, dapat shoulders. Tingnan natin kung kaya, ha? Let's do it. Boys, ito, legit na. Wala na talaga tao. Ako na lang talaga mag-isa. Look at that. Would you look at that? Pwede ako magwala dito kung gugustuhin ko. Next, this thing. Shoulder press. Actually, hindi ako sure kung kaya ko pa ito. But we'll try. Ayan, may tao na ulit. We'll try. We'll try our best. 5:16. Featuring Kaja. Sumuko na ako, boy. I gave up. Cause there's something. Masakit na talaga yung shoulders ko. May parang hindi na naman gumagalaw yung escalator. Tapos pag wala na naman ako. Okay, boys, we're going home. Sa gym dapat ako maliligo, pero I decided sa bahay na lang. Habulin kong hindi mag 6 AM para free yung parking. Kasi pag umabot ka ng 6 AM dito, may bayad na yung parking. So, let's hurry home. And good night.